What's up, Creative Mind of Bree? This your girl, the Creative Mind of Bree, coming back with another video. This is your VlogMas 3, the third VlogMas. That's Dill trying to get out this playpen because he want to stay out. Now he trying to convince me to get him out. You hear him being quiet because he hear me talking, but he must think this a FaceTime video. Don't get down now. Say it.
Say hey.
Don't get down now. No, get back up. Get back up. Let them see what you was doing. Acting up. You was acting up. Say no, I just want to get out. Yeah, so maybe I think he liked the camera now too, so that's how she was.
I'm going to my dad's house.
Yeah, she about to go to her dad's house. They about to go on a lunch date. I'm about to fold some clothes. And very cute. And he's very handsome. Say handsome. Hey, handsome. He looking at his sister. Why you get so quiet there? Because Murray plays his toys. I want Murray to play the ball with him, so that's why he's grabbing the ball. Say, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Bill, say, let's get it. Say, let's get it.
Bye. See you later.
So y'all, it's at night. We just doing this little quiz thing they have on YouTube that's trying to trick us, you know, quiz us on certain things. So
Guess your name. Make sure you carefully follow each step I'm about to tell you. Even if you get one of these steps wrong, this trick won't work, so make sure you listen closely. Alright, so what I need you to do is assign each letter of your name a number.
is 9. Oh, I need some glasses. I'm seeing double numbers. 8 is, what is that, 11? 1 down. So y'all, I haven't really did too much on the vlog today. We try to do a drawing contest and other things like that. Watch movies. I forgot to vlog on some things. I'm trying to stay, you know, committed and do a lot of other things that I need to do. But overall, I'm not going to focus on that. I hope you all are having a great day. I had a great day today. Continue to stay blessed. Continue to pray. Continue to keep your head up. Whatever you're going through, just know that you're going to get through it no matter what. Make sure you stay focused on your goals and what God has called you to do. If you stay focused on Him, everything will fall in place. Don't try to get so stuck in your own ways and try to push God aside and go forward first before Him. Because when you look around, He won't be there trying to follow you. You got to follow God. He'll be there when you ask Him for help. But remember that His ways is better. His plans is better. So don't depend on your own ways. Whatever you have planned, God has a bigger plan for you. So just remember that and just keep faith, because whatever you want, you ask God and He gives the okay and He's with you, just know that He's gonna be right there with you. So yeah, it's been a long day. That's part of this hair that I cut off. It's growing back so fast. It was the size of this. It's about this length, but it got cut off. So this side right here, actually it was when I was trying to flat iron my hair to go to this 70s, 60s party. I tried to flat iron it to do an old fashioned this part right here too. So those parts right there, y'all see them sticking up, it's just growing back so it don't look all, you know, rough or anything. But yeah, I just jumped on that. But make sure you keep your eyes on the prize, which is God. Everything will follow behind once you keep your eyes on God and believe, and not only try to say things to try to fit in or make it sound good, but knowing that they really have a genuine relationship and building it. It's like you can't just go in trying to have a relationship with anybody and just think that, oh, if I make myself feel this way, it'll happen. No, you have to genuinely get to know that person every day and build. So with God, just build, and that relationship will grow. And don't beat yourself up about it. You can be doing good for about 2 weeks on your goals, and then 1 or 2 weeks you can get knocked off. You can have a burnout. You can actually do too much or whatever, but don't beat yourself up about it. Just get up again. Ask God for the strength and get up and work towards it again, whatever it may be. Even if you have to slither, crawl, bounce, hop, or whatever. Just like this YouTube. I want to do the Vlogmas, but I might not even call it the Vlogmas. I might not do it. I might just do it my own way, what I feel like doing, and go with that, because it doesn't fit me. So some things that doesn't fit you, don't just shy away from what you're supposed to be doing. Just make it your own. So yeah, you see how I'm talking now. This is me. This is what I like to do. I like to talk. I like to encourage. I like to motivate, push people, uplift. And that's what I'm good at. So I still have my family or whatever. Sometimes we just chill, especially with us being in a new apartment. We are at the top. We usually have like townhomes or whatever. So we only had townhomes. So now that we got an apartment, we're at the top, so they can really hear a lot of things like bumping and loud noise. So I try to make them sit down because I don't want to be disrespectful to my neighbors. But still, we still gonna have some things for y'all. I'm not gonna probably do the Vlogmas. I might try to put it today. I don't know. I just don't want to. I do know that even if it's not a vlog that I want, I'm gonna do something for y'all and just you know, try to encourage y'all. That's something I like to do. It comes naturally for me to uplift people and get them something, some knowledge or wisdom what I have came about on, or just want to pour out into some people. So that's what I will be doing for you guys, and that's about it. So good night. Subscribe, press the bell button, the notification, comment, and share and like, you know, all of that good stuff. Do that for you girls. It's free. It don't cost you no money to do it. Just do it for me, for free. But thank y'all for y'all support, and like I said, I'll see y'all later. Bye.